Hello, my name is Dave Pope from Pope&Sons Travel Consultants. I'd just like to bring you our top travel destinations for 2019. First of all, on top of the list is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a very diverse country and it has a bit of something for everyone. First of all, you have wildlife. And did you know that Sri Lanka has the highest concentration of leopard in the world? And just one area where you can find them is the Yala National Park. Secondly, its culture. It has no less than 6 World Heritage Sites. And then you have its hill country and tea plantations. And to finish it off, if that's not enough, then it has amazing beaches. Whether you want to surf or just relax at the end of your trip, then they have some amazing beaches all around the island. If you're traveling in August next year for school holidays and looking for somewhere a little bit different, then Sri Lanka should be somewhere to look at. And you can, from a value of money point of view, it could be the same as spending a couple of weeks in one of European beach resorts. And you'll get a much more immersive experience to bring back to the UK. Our second destination for next year, not surprisingly for those that know us, is Australia. And specifically 2 areas that tourists tend to leave out when they travel down under. First of all, we're recommending Tasmania. Tasmania is an opportunity for you to get away from it all. It's got vast wilderness, beaches, and some of Australia's most spectacular mountains. Apart from that, some great resorts. There's Cradle Mountain Lodge, and our specific favourite is Sapphire Freycinet over on the east coast. You definitely won't be disappointed. Our second destination within Australia is Western Australia, and if you go far north from Perth to the Ningaloo coast and the Ningaloo Reef, which is lesser known than the Great Barrier Reef but more unspoilt. And a resort up there we're recommending is called Sal Salis. Now these are just 9 wilderness tents, something completely different, where you can also witness, if you're there at the right time, witness the migration of the whale shark, which is the world's largest fish, and that happens between April and August. And we'd probably recommend a few days in Perth as well, one of our favourite cities in Australia. And you can actually fly direct to Perth now non-stop with Singapore Airlines. Our third destination for next year that we're recommending is Thailand. And specifically in Thailand, it's Phuket, and a resort that you may have seen if you follow our social media and our website. The resort was called Kimala, and it has the famous treetop pool villas. Now they are the number one hotel room or rooms in Asia, and very special resort. We'd recommend 7 to 10 nights in Kimala and then mix it up with 3 or 4 nights in Bangkok, staying at the Shangri-La. So those are our 3 tips for 2019. As I'm sure you know, Pope&Sons specialise in made-to-measure escapism. You come to us with a clean sheet of paper and we'll do the rest. We specialise in long-haul travel, Australia, New Zealand, around the world, blow the inheritance around the world trips. But we can also, we can bring you glass igloos in Finland, or we can arrange a Ferrari to be driven around Europe. Whatever you want to escape next year, then let us know. So we hope to hear from you soon. Please get in touch.